Hi guys, welcome back to one more live trading video which I keep on posting. So today I did not trade with 3 or 4 mega lots, but I traded with only 2 mega lots. But as usual, 10 points is something which I target in crude with an SL of 10 points. So I was able to achieve that target today, and I'll show you on the screens how this trade was executed and how did I place my orders. Okay. Before to that, a small disclaimer: the videos which I am sharing in this channel are only for educational purposes. Please try to learn from these videos and see how it helps in enhancing your knowledge. And this channel or content does not guarantee any profit or loss. Okay, so with this disclaimer, let's switch to the actual thing. So I saw crude. Okay, these are few levels which I have already marked in my chart. So the logic on how I mark these levels is something which is a separate topic altogether. Luckily today crude was supporting these levels right from morning onwards. Okay, so afternoon around 3 or 4 I saw crude gave this big up move and broke this resistance of. First indication is crude bounced back from this resistance of 3968, then followed by crude broke another resistance with huge volume, this particular candle of 3977. So I was sure that crude is going to give an up move, but since this was continuously moving up, I was waiting for some kind of a consolidation pattern. Okay, so I got that consolidation pattern over here. As you can see, this is in a straight line, or you can see if you draw a range of this candle and this candle, you can see it's in some kind of straight line. So I bought crude somewhere here, exactly at 3992 was my order. I think it's somewhere here. Somewhere here I bought crude. I'll show you that in the trade which I took, so that people won't call me stating that I have also started doing forgery videos, which is not the case. So this is my Asta account. I'm just logging in. Okay, so yeah, let me see. Okay, here it is. So as you can see, I'll try to add the net position page as well. So as you can see here, as you can see here, I booked 10 points on 2 lots. So I made a total gain of 2000 rupees. So as you can see all of these values, and my order, coming to my order thing, so you can see that in the order book. So if you can go to the order book, what you can see here is, so this was my buy order which was executed at I don't know where to see the time in this particular order book, but yeah, I guess it will come in the trade book. Okay, so yeah, so these are the actual trades which have taken place. So as you can see, around 1539 I bought 2 lots at 3922, which is nothing but 1539. So approximately, yeah. So in this consolidation pattern, as I told you guys, sorry, not this consolidation pattern, this consolidation pattern, I bought crude somewhere here at 3992, and my SL was directly below this particular line, which was around 3982. I kept as 3982, but any SL below this red line would have sufficed. Okay, so even if I would have traded with 3984, it was a good SL for this particular trade. So I bought it somewhere here, and then I was stuck. I know this 4005 because of my technical analysis that this is a very huge reversal zone for crude. So I was targeting 4002. Okay, so as you can see, at around 1610, I guess 1610, this candle, I guess 1610, yeah. So 1610, this candle, it made a high of 4004, and my sell order was executed. So that's how I was able to make 10 points. So as you can see, this was the sell order, so this was the buy order 3992, and yeah, and this was my sell order of 4002, which was around 1610. And if you can see my order book, you'll be able to see what is the SL that I have placed. So as you can see here, 3992 was executed, and my SL was not exactly below this red line, but slightly below that one, because at times what happens is Crude comes here and bounces off this one as well. So I placed my SL around 3982, and it was well within my SL limit of 10 points. So finally I tried selling it, since it was facing multiple times rejection from 4000. So I tried to sell it around 4000. Unfortunately, it didn't go for a sell. So all these are cancelled orders. So as you can see, yeah, these are all cancelled orders, 400, 4000. But finally at the 4002 was executed, and I was very sure that 4005 was the resistance for Crude. So I sold off at 4002, which means that Crude needs to make a high of 4003 for my order to be executed. So with this video, I'm basically trying to explain that if you design one particular strategy in which you have the risk and reward in 1:1 ratio, which is a very fantastic method to trade commodities. If you do not have a method designed today to trade any of the commodities, that is especially anything in MCX, please don't even attempt to do live trading, but practice paper trading and develop a method which has at least 60% or 50% accuracy, and which will give you results with 1:1 methodology. Okay, so that is it from this video. As you can see, all these lines, whatever I have plotted, Crude has been respecting these lines from morning onwards. So I'll just switch to 15-minute time frame. So they started here, it went down, and again it faced resistance over here, and again it went up, again it faced resistance, came down, got bounced back, faced resistance, came down, faced resistance, bounced back, faced resistance, and then came down. And now as you can see, this level also 3968 is something which we know already. So that's why if you learn how to place these levels or how to draw these levels, half of your trading activity will be very simple. And wherever you, with the help of this particular moving average, wherever you feel that you can take trades with 1:1 risk and reward, you can very well take this. So I just want to emphasize one thing in this video, that see, if you have a methodology which you can develop, and let me tell you, it will take you at least 6 to 8 months to develop such a method in MCX, because MCX is a high bets market and high returns market and high risk market as well. So please try to work on your basics and try to develop a process or a method by which Crude will by which you will be able to trade any MCX commodity. And making 10 points in Crude is not a big deal if you know what you're doing. Okay, and every day I'm not successful, but I do have an accuracy of 60%, 60 to 70% in Crude. I'm pretty much happy about it. Okay, fine. So that's it from this video. Last but not the least, please do share this video with all the other great people, and please do like and subscribe this channel. Plus, please do like and comment on this video, and please do like my Facebook page. Thank you very much, and see you guys with another live trading video or technical analysis video. Thank you.